My name is Maylene A. Mangurali, and I'm excited to share my passion for teaching mathematics and my extensive experience with you. I graduated cum laude from the Philippine Normal University in 2004 with a bachelor's degree in secondary education, major in mathematics. I have 36 units in a master in education, major in educational management, and am currently pursuing 12 units in a master's in education, major in mathematics. With 19 years of experience as a public school teacher, I've taught grade 7 to grade 10 mathematics early in my career, and now I'm teaching senior high school mathematics, specializing in general mathematics and statistics and probability. I've worked with students of diverse backgrounds, adapting my methods to meet their unique learning needs. I hold a professional teacher license in the Philippines and a Maryland Educator Certificate with a professional eligibility certificate in teaching mathematics for grade 7 to grade 12. My leadership experience includes serving as the grade 11 coordinator, where I assist teachers in managing and addressing the needs of students who require special attention. I provide support and guidance to ensure effective classroom management and student engagement. As the senior high school mathematics coordinator, I consolidate and analyze performance reports to identify trends and areas for improvement. These insights guide the planning and implementation of remediation, intervention, and enhancement programs for both students and teachers. Additionally, as the school statistician, I oversee the accurate analysis and interpretation of research findings, ensuring that data driven decisions are made to enhance our school's programs and outcomes. These roles have honed my ability to lead teams, implement strategies, and foster a collaborative environment. I also manage a family resort and a laundry business where I apply mathematical concepts to manage operations and finances. This practical experience helps me connect mathematics to real world applications, which I bring into my classroom teaching to inspire and engage students. I'm also passionate about organic farming and enjoy playing chess, both of which enhance my patience, strategic thinking, and problem solving abilities. I'm excited to teach in the United States, where I can further enhance my teaching strategies and contribute to a diverse and dynamic educational environment. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the opportunity to positively impact your students and school community.